Hello everyone, long time no see. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the difference that a dark eyeshadow and a light eyeshadow can do to your look. So the two eyeshadows that I will be using, one is a dark blue by K Beauty, it's called Navigator, and the other is this light blue, which matches my shirt, by Steve Lauren, and I've broken this one. So in this eye, I'm going to use this lighter, very bright blue. This eye, we're going to go for a dark blue shade. It's just pretty metallic-y. You can see the brighter blue makes the eye look a little bigger, a little more opened up. You see more lid space, it's more open. And the dark blue, it just kind of shuts down your eyelid space. You don't see a lot of the eyelid space. There is no right or wrong way to do it. It just depends on what you want. If you're looking to make your eyes look bigger, go for a brighter, lighter shade. And if you're looking for a more defined, just smoked out look, then go for a darker shade. And the reason why I went for a blue instead of a brown was to demonstrate that you can stick to the same color family that you want and still get different looks out of a lighter shade and a darker shade.